What if I told you you can create your own WhatsApp chatbot in the next few minutes without coding, without technical skills and complete beginner friendly? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how. We are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot step by step using simple tool called Pabbly Chatflow. And to make it practical, I'll create a chatbot for a collectible store as a complete example. By the end of this video, you will have a chatbot that welcomes customer instantly, shows them your collection, ask about the basic question and also give them a follow-up completely personalized for each user, all automatically on WhatsApp. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to design this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool I have ever used. First, search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow, and you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. 100 free credits means you can send up to 100 messages to your user. And another one is sign in option. After doing the sign in process, you will come inside the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you have to make sure that to add your WhatsApp number because it is very important step. We have already created a separate video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am directly clicking on this flows option. See, this is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder. Here you can create and manage all of your static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. And after that, you will come in this page. This is where we can design the entire chatbot. Think of it like building a conversation step by step. Now let's move. At first, you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this, but you can select any of the trigger event from here based on your choice. See, I have selected the keyword. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the users will send to me. As we are creating this flow with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box is hi. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it in the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here as hello. See, these are the most expected keyword the user will send to me. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered. So for adding a welcome message, on the right hand side you will see two options, messages and actions. Under these options you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now for a welcome message, I am adding a button as text button and entering a message for my users in this enter message box as hi there, welcome to Voltex Collectibles. What would you like to check out? See, this is the exact welcome message that was sent with the user whenever the user will send the message as hi to my bot. So this is how this message look like. Now with this message, I want to add three quick buttons by the name of trending items, view prices and talk to support. So for that, I am clicking on this plus add button and entering a button name as trending item, selecting the button type as quick reply. After that, I'm clicking on the save button. Next one is view prices and the last one is talk to support. Here I have added, but before connecting the trigger point to this welcome message, I am giving the name of the flow, that is free WhatsApp chatbot tutorial step by step for beginners. Here I have given the name by my choice, but you can give the name of the bot that you are creating. After giving the name, you have to make sure that to click on this button, save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. And the another one is active and active toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive. Now I am connecting the trigger point of this flow to this welcome message. See, it is connected. Now when the user will click on this trending items button, then the bot will share them the types of my collection, that is this gaming collectible, gift combo set and mini disc. Here I have only some items, but you can add more. So for setting this type of message, at first I am adding one text button from here and entering the message content As explore our latest collection, fresh drops, rare finds, collector worthy pieces just arrived. After that, I want to add the image of each of these products. So for that, I am clicking on this plus side content button and selecting the content type as media button. After that, I am selecting the media type as image. Now I am uploading first image of the product that are available in my store. So for that, I am clicking on this plus add new image and clicking on this button and uploading the image from my gallery. See, the image is uploaded successfully. Moving forward, I am entering the name of this collectible in this field and its price, that is gaming collectible, starting from $299. After that, with this, I want to add one button by the name of order now. Here I have added. After that, I will click on the save button. Now I am going to add two more products. The process of adding products will be the same. See, here I have added. The second one is gift combo set and the mini desk plant. Also added two quick buttons by the name of order now in both of these. After that, I am linking this circle which I present in front of trending items to this knot. Here I want you to know that I am designing this flow by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your business and imagination. After that, when my user will select the product they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to the setup of custom field tag. For that, I will click on the sections option and adding button is set custom field. After that, I am selecting the contact custom field as product interested. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is gaming collectible, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this product. That's why I am linking this to this. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field not here and what is this contact custom field. See, the contact custom field is most interesting feature of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this, the bot will automatically capture the user's provided response. As different users have different data, so for capturing each user's data dynamically, contact custom field is used. I also give you a real-time example of this, that whenever I clicked on the order now button of this mini desk plant, and the bot will automatically mention the mini desk plant in front of this interested product field, completely personalized based on my choice. So this is how contact custom field works. In few minutes you will understand this more clearly. After that, I am doing a setup of two more contact custom field not for both of these products. See, here I have added, and you can see I use the same contact custom field in each of the knots as a product interest, but only change the value completely based on the product that I have selected here. You also have to make sure that the product you have selected here is the same you have to enter in this enter value box. As I explained you earlier, at the end this will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice. Now when the user will select their interesting products, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name. So for that, I am adding one ask question button from here and entering a question in this enter message box. As to proceed with your order, may I know your full name please? For that, I am setting the contact custom field as full name and the format is text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will retry to give reply of this user. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, but make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Let's say for this case, you can give the validation messages, please share the name in the correct format. Here I am not giving any validation message because the number of attempts I am giving as 0. After that, I am linking all these three contact custom field not circle to this question box. See, it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now when the user will share their full name, then my bot will ask them to send their address. So for that, I am adding one more question. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. See, here I have added as thank you with dollar symbol full name for sharing your full name. Now please share your address. As you can see that I have used the dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, the bot will reply to my users dynamically. I'll give you an example that as soon as I have sent the full name as a test user by answering this question, that will automatically mention test user after this thank you. So this is how it works. It is only made possible with the help of this contact custom field node and with this dollar symbol. In simple terms, it makes it a dynamic completely based on the user input. Next, the contact custom field I have selected as address and the format as any. Now when all these communication will done, then at last the bot will send one customized request receive message to the user. So for that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and select the content type as text button. Now I am going to enter a respond message in this enter message box as request received thank you with dollar symbol symbol full name. We have received your request and details for your selected collectibles, interested product with dollar symbol, product interested, and address. As I already explained you about this dollar symbol, it is a contact custom field symbol. And also I have entered one message that our team will connect with you shortly to confirm availability, finalize payment, and arrange dispatch. It is completed. Now the next button is view prices. If the user wants to view the prices, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will share them the details about the pricing. So for that, I'm clicking on this circle, dragging a line, and selecting the content type as text button, and entering the pricing details in this enter message box. Here I have entered, and the last one is talk to support. If my users wants to know the contact details of my support team, then they will click on this button. Then the bot will reply to them by sending them the contact information. Here I have added, and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. This bot will give instant replies to your users in real time like this, even while you are sleeping, without you touching your phone. So if you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.